doing? What's happening? What's the haps? Okay, do people say that? I don't know. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just recently came back from Las Vegas with the fam, was out there representing, you know, everyone was out there having fun and it was really fun. So I think I skipped 2 weeks of videos. First week I was gone. I definitely thought about bringing my equipment, but nah, it would have been way too much. Moving on into next week, coming back home, I had crazy jet lag and I just could not function, okay, throughout the day. That time switch is like crazy. I want to say 16 was the last time I've traveled somewhere and there's been an actual time difference. So that hit me real hard. Okay, now I'm back, and now I'm back to my schedule, my video schedule, you know. So, and yes, if you are wondering, I do have lashes on. These are individual lashes, you know, the ones that they do the little tweezers with. I was really scared to get them at first, not gonna lie, but it just eliminates the process of having to put on lashes. Plus you wake up looking like a baddie every day. What? Like, I couldn't pass that up. You know, I'm rocking my green braids, still rocking my green knotless braids. Shout out to Boxed Ambitions, okay, who did these braids right here. She is dope. Super dope. I got Boxed Ambitions on the braids, okay, and I got KG Beauty on the lashes. Her prices are reasonable, as well as Boxed Ambitions. I'm gonna put their handles in here somewhere. I mean, not that I like have a lot of clout or anything, like but you know, it's a video, you never know, this video might go viral, you know, maybe. So that's my little shout out to them, getting me right and making me look so beautiful. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use loose pigments. Yes, loose pigments in a jar, no pressed powders today. These are the eyeshadows right here. I purchased them from a company called JLaRue. I don't know if you've heard of it, but if you're on Facebook, I'm pretty sure you've seen it because it is all over Facebook. Now, these are what they look like. They're little pigment shadows like this. These babies have been haunting my dreams for like the past probably year, okay? They were having a sale, okay? A $5 sale. Come on. Loose pigment eyeshadow, super sparkly, super beautiful eyeshadows for $5. I am going to be doing my eyebrows, but this is not an eyebrow video, so I'm going to go ahead and do them off camera, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to get started on this eyeshadow. I'm back and my eyebrows are snatched, okay? First thing I'm going to do is go in with a eyeshadow primer. And y'all already know, if you've been watching my videos, you already know what I'm using. I will say I'm still getting used to doing my makeup with the lashes on already, because I'm not gonna lie, like, they kind of get in the way, you know. I still do enjoy the fact that I wake up every day looking like a bad biatch, and the fact that I can skip the lash step every time that I do my makeup, because I do have a love-hate relationship with lashes. Like, I love them, I sell them, I have my own line, but let's be honest, like, it gets tiring. You get finished doing all your makeup and then you're like, damn, and I still gotta put on lashes? Like, oh god. But man, I'm telling you, lashes make everything look better, because look at this. I literally just put on an eyeshadow primer and I look bomb, okay? I look bomb as fuck. For today's look, I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place, the Nomad palette. And this is one of my favorite palettes by Juvia's Place because it has green in it. So I'm going in with this dark green color, and I'm focusing on my outer crease for right now. And I'm just placing the color there first. Now with the same brush, and by the way, this is my Morphe M139 brush. And I'm actually gonna bring the color out a little bit, so I'm gonna wing it out. The only thing I will definitely say about these lashes is, like, if I'm not looking up, like trying to look on the lid, it could like very well be not finished and not all the way down. Like, if you get what I'm saying, like I want to make sure I cover the lid and I'm not just doing like above the lashes, because then it'll look weird. Oh, the green is looking nice and fancy. For our second shade of green, I'm going in using my Beauty Bay Bright Matte palette, and I'm gonna use the shade, Granny Smith right here to kind of lighten up the outer crease. Woo! I need to brush up on my terminology. Okay. I'm also going into my inner crease just a little bit with that shade as well, but not gonna overdo it. So now it's time for the fun part. There's a couple ways that you could apply pigment. You could mix it with a pigment potion, which I actually did purchase from them as well. I purchased their pigment potion, but it's just a lot faster and easier for me to apply a sticky adhesive like a glitter glue, glitter primer, whatever you want to call it, and then go ahead and add the pigment. This is the Nyx Glitter Glue, and I will be using that over my eyes. I'm taking some on a flathead brush and I'm gonna put it all over my eyes. You don't want to put too much because you still want it to be tacky. And I'm just going to take this pigment and dump some on there. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, but that is super pretty. Now with a fluffier kind of flat head brush, and this is the Sigma 201 brush that I'm using right here. I'm gonna pick some of that pigment up. Huh. Oh my gosh, I am in love, people. Yes. What? This pigment is everything. Now, mind you guys, I've never used this pigment before. I just seen them. It caught my eye. And I will say, this is definitely, like, worth my buy. Look at that. I'm going back into my Beauty Bay palette. And I'm going to use the shade Labyrinth as like the final and last. I'm going to actually mix Labyrinth and Granny Smith, and I'm going to use that to continue to blend everything in together. I'm gonna bring that combination down a little bit into the outer, but I'm not going to go all the way down because I have a surprise that I'm gonna pop in the corner of my eye. Yes. Okay, so check this out. Next, in the inner part of my crease, my inner corner, I'm going to use this single shadow by Nomad. This, whatever that says, Kurzberg, is very, very pretty. And I'm going to use that to complete the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to go ahead and do some liner, but we're gonna ditch the black liner, okay? Let me talk to y'all with my full face because I'm serious right now. We're going to ditch the black liner, okay? And we're gonna go for white. Hear me out, okay? We're gonna go for a white liner, and yeah, it's about to be like intense up in here. For the liner, I'm using my Suva Beauty Hydra FX liner, whatever. And this is in the shade Space Panda. aka white. So to apply the liner, I'm also using the Suva Beauty 620 brush, and that is this really skinny pointy brush here. So I'm going to try and do this and not embarrass myself. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling so hard right now. Part of me feels like I should have just left it alone. See, look at me. I'm trying to be extra, and I end up messing everything up. Alright, whatever. We're still gonna rock with it. Okay, so because I actually think that this is a little bit too long, I'm gonna cut off that tail end. Okay, well. Struggling. Excuse me if I look weird, but I am actually using the camera to do this because my mirror is too far away and I can't have the mirror in my hand and do this at the same time. I usually do this. This is a technique that I use for clients when I do liner in their waterline, because it helps prevent the eye from watering too much, and if it does water, it catches on the cotton pad. So this is a very helpful thing for me. It might help you, but you know, everyone has their own methods. This just tends to work for me, especially because I have allergies, and in the morning time, oh my god, like I just can't be great with the eyeliner in the morning. So I'm like constantly having to reapply, or then I just give up, you know, because sometimes it's just not worth it. Like to blend that out. I don't know why I'm such a fan of making my forehead look bigger than it already is, but for whatever reason. And I'm just gonna blend it a little bit more with my sponge, because you know it's all about the blend. It's all about the blend. My little edge is on fleek, y'all. Look at this. Alright. I'm having a little too much fun right now. Okay, so now for the lips, I'm going to do like a brown kind of combo thing. I'm going to mix a couple of different ones. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. So for my lips, I know I didn't really go too in depth with it when I was doing it, so I'll show you the lipsticks now. So I used, the first one was the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Chocolate Wasted. This is my all-time favorite brown liquid matte lipstick. If you don't have this and you're a brown lipstick girl, please go get it, because this lipstick is bomb, okay? Dose of Colors liquid lip in the shade Chocolate Wasted, okay? Okay, well, apparently I lost the second one, but the second lip, gosh, what? Always misplace this stuff. The second lip was by Tarte, okay? It was a Tarte liquid lip. It was also a matte, and I'll actually just put that in the description since I can't find it. So that was the second one. And then the third, I know, this was a process, okay? This whole shebang was a process. And the last thing that I put was the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick. And this is in the shade Revolutionare. And this is more like a purple mauve kind of like nude type of deal, and I put that right in the middle. And then to top it all off, I put a clear gloss, and this is a very, very special gloss, okay? This is the VIP Gloss Lip Glaze, okay, by Sadie, Styles by Sadie. Styles by Sadie is my cousin, whoop, whoop. Okay, so this is my cousin's line, Styles by Sadie Lip Glaze, and this is her clear lip topper or lip glaze. I can't remember if she has an actual name for this, but anyway, this is yet the third shout out. Okay, go ahead and check her out, Styles by Sadie. She has a whole bunch of different glosses, and that's what's making my lips look super popping right now, because everything is matte. Like, I use all matte lipsticks, and then I topped it off with this gloss. This gloss is bomb. So that's pretty much it for the look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this tutorial, enjoyed this video. How you like it, how you like the green, okay, how you like the eyeshadow, the pigments, the sparkly all over the place. And I will be posting up pictures on Facebook and Instagram, so make sure you go and like, and I will see you guys next week.